Hello everyone and welcome back to Italy. I am Danilo Romolini and look at this view right behind me. We are overlooking Lake Maggiore, which is the second largest lake of Italy and the largest lake of southern Switzerland. Today we are here to visit together a fully restored villa located on an outstanding position overlooking the lake. We are at about 650 meters of altitude on top of a mountain and look at this view. Are you ready to see this property? Come with me. The property was initially built in the 80s. It was then restored afterwards about 10 years ago. And it currently features 2 independent apartments that could be very easily connected together to create a single unit. And there is also an amazing indoor swimming pool that I can't wait to show you. Let's start by talking about the external area. The property externally is laid on terraces with the upper terrace over here that is ideal to be used as a car park, or you can drive through and access the garage of the home. Whilst on the lower terrace there is a beautiful garden right in front of the second apartment I will show you later. All of that in front of this fantastic view. Let's now have a look inside. Starting from the apartment on the upper level, everything has been nicely restored. All of the windows, doors, fixtures and details are brand new. As soon as we walk inside, we immediately notice these broad, open spaces, high ceilings, and the whole room is full of natural light. As you walk inside, you have right in front of you these incredible infinity views of Lake Maggiore. Let's have a better look. Today we have a sunny day and a really nice weather. Only thing is that on the lake there is actually a bit of fog, so you don't see it very clearly. But imagine being here on a perfectly clear day, maybe in the evening, enjoying a meal with your friends or with your family, and enjoying a fantastic sunset right here in front of the water. Before we talk about the layout of the property, let me mention that both on this and the apartment downstairs, there is an underfloor heating all over. Also, in terms of layout, as we walk inside, over here we have the dining space right in front of these windows with the view. On my right there is this nice and spacious sitting area, open plan with the rest of this room. It has a wood-burning fireplace, and as well over there we find another window giving even more light. Over here, as we keep going, we then find the kitchen, which is fully equipped and in immaculate conditions. Let's now talk about the bedrooms. The first bedroom is right beside the kitchen. Through this door we access this little hallway which connects to this bathroom with shower, which is both usable by all of the living spaces, but also, of course, by the bedroom over here. Then, right beside the dining space, we have the master bedroom of the apartment. Let's enter from here. We have this little hallway with the master bathroom on this side, very large, very spacious. And in the end, we find the master bedroom with out of the window views on the lake. Let's now have a look at the second apartment of the property. It is as well fully restored and in perfect condition, but it has never been used and lived in. In fact, it is unfurnished. It is laid on 2 levels. On the upper level, we find 3 bedrooms, nice and spacious, and 2 bathrooms. One of the bedrooms has the ensuite bathroom. Whilst on the lower level, where we are now, is where we find the rest of the living spaces. As we get to the lower level, we find this large, full of light living area. It has a wood-burning fireplace over there and several windows overlooking the lake. These floors, living spaces, are all open plan. And on this side we find this large kitchen, fully equipped and brand new. It's never been used. Over here it has this bar side, and on this side we find this door/window from which we can access onto this side of the terrace with a beautiful stone table, perfect for al fresco dining. Then, as we keep going, on this side of the living area, we have a nice and spacious bathroom for the living spaces. Then there is this hallway which leads on the left to what should be a laundry area. It's already all wired to be a laundry. On the right, there is a technical room or storage space. And as we cross this door, we enter the swimming pool space. In fact, on the left, we have a changing room and another bathroom. And as we keep going, have a look at this impressive swimming pool. It is very large. Over here, it's actually 2.5 meters deep. On that side, it is 1.5, and in the end, 1.2 meters. It is equipped with this system to swim against the current. Also, the filtration system is not with chlorine, it's actually with oxygen. And right behind me, you can notice these air vents that are used to take the humidity away when it gets too humid. All of these windows over here are overlooking the lake with a fantastic view. Now they're closed, but they can be opened to enjoy some breeze. This swimming pool is perfect for this villa because it can get quite fresh at these altitudes, and this space can be very comfortably used also in the colder months. And what better place to end today's property tour than right in front of this fantastic lake view. I hope you like this home, and I hope I made you realize its true potential. Before I leave you, please leave a comment on the comment section below, letting us know whether you like this home and whether you have any advice for our videos. Please also subscribe to our channel for the best homes of Italy every week. I will see you soon. Ciao.